Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Bishop George Mamalaseri laid to rest at Sacred Heart Church, Tura. Enforcement drive targets non-tribal shopkeepers in Demsenyong, Shillong. KSU inspection reveals 117 non-tribal workers without proper documents. And seminar on the danger of child marriage empowers youth in Maulangdem. And now the news in detail. Thousands of faithful Catholics from across Garo 5 districts gathered at Sacred Heart Church, Tura on July 8th to bid farewell to Bishop George Mamalaseri. A revered figure in the region, Bishop Mamalaseri served as a priest for 64 years and as bishop for 28 years in the Diocese of Tura. Archbishop Victor Lingdo and bishops from northeast India led the solemn last rites. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and former Chief Minister Dr. Mukul Sangma were among those who paid their respects, laying flowers on his coffin. The ceremony included a touching tribute with a wreath laying before the Holy Mass, marking a poignant conclusion to the life of this dedicated missionary and servant of the Catholic community in Garo Hills. On July 8th, a joint operation by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC, enforcement police and local authorities scrutinized non-tribal shopkeepers in Demsenyong, responding to reports of unauthorized raids. The inspection led by licensed officer Refreshal Shabong targeted areas where non-tribal traders were suspected of operating without proper permits. While specifics on closures were not disclosed, the enforcement aimed to uphold regulatory compliance. Concurrently, Shillong municipal authorities conducted sanitation checks along Polo and Demsenyong roads, focusing on cleanliness standards at tea stalls and food vendors. The coordinated efforts underscore ongoing efforts to maintain order and adherence to municipal and district regulations in commercial areas of Shillong, ensuring lawful operations and hygiene standards are upheld for public safety and welfare.
कहाँ से?
ठीक है।
तुम मालिक को बुलाओ ना। अबू के पास क्या डॉक्यूमेंट है? अभी क्या डॉक्यूमेंट है? एपिक है कि नहीं? एपिक इलेक्शन का
फोन करो। इलेक्शन का नहीं, फोटो तो नहीं है। आधार कार्ड भी
इलेक्शन का है।
इलेक्शन कार्ड
कितना उधर भी है नहीं क्या आपका?
नहीं ब्लॉक है।
इधर में कितना भी है कम है?
Orang tu. Lain. Ini orang apa buat?
Pak bila benciu tu apa ide bagani jingwan kerja implementasi.
Mentasi ngadi refresal sebong di babat do licensing officer jongane ka is kasil jingwan jungi mentasi layo na direction na kya high authority ba kandan ki seng balang ki bonan check ya ga driving license ni than da siyang nong song.
On July 8th, the Khasi Students Union KSU conducted a rigorous inspection of non-tribal workers in Mauparam area, uncovering 117 individuals without adequate documentation. Among them, only 6 possessed an election photo identity card, while others lacked essential paperwork required for employment. The workers were promptly sent back and instructed to complete all necessary documentation before returning. This action by the KSU highlights efforts to ensure compliance with legal norms regarding non-tribal labor in the region, emphasizing the importance of proper documentation and regulatory adherence in employment practices within Meghalaya.
Mungkin cuma lah bantu train ta cupet yang kata kerja sak lek ben jung tahun lang train. Mereka badai tak ada apa piwan train support obat. Di bendiang yang ke license.
Ang katak yang
kau permit.
long habak ki atang katu. Tiki ong pagkatak ka mo
Ang bakal nak yang ingin pedang kita. Kita lagi dang data application kita issue ai tangga epic baka ne kapan ka ne adhar kila ayo ai kata. Ba idur ayo. Andai ke work permit bidang kami ke you have dan kam buat ke verification yang kini menu ban pensisai kini bagi dia beri bebahan ni na
kan nak liang ka isu masakel mentasi ka ayo ban khrai di barjala ki batrai po than mulai nak liang isu ka ayo ban pha da sing caka bikiwan ka ayo ban bat adu sepakat nyongut basu thumula lai ba tan rengut nasi sepakat nyongut tan rengut kita badan tek ini nak liang bastam macam bomlun tek nak liang kesen hi kapaka सरकार का पत्रकम या का एलपी और पत्रकम या का MRSC nakliang keseng kadi tarung sedang kami smart niai smart banginang senra teknik minder ba panbala pian kemiak kau permit kadi ka beri nyukrap han mulai jongi berpoe ini
Jakarta tempat lah.
Am jangan ni yang keren nama application sawan bang Pak Shillong amma.
Ya mentari.
Tau milai dah tau yang mentah.
Kami.
Susu hawai.
Ya benar cuma ya penbiang.
Am ya penbiang kan buat ke Shillong.
Dia buat Shillong kau.
Kani ka ya kami tanah susu kan oh ya kata.
The Catholic Youth Wing of St. Francis Assisi Parish Maulangdep organized a seminar on July 6th at Riwyang Church focusing on the danger of child marriage. Led by Brother Quirinus, the seminar highlighted the myriad risk associated with early marriage, including impacts on physical, mental and economic well-being of families, especially mothers and children. Emphasizing education, vocational training and income generation, Brother Quirinus urged youths to prioritize personal development over early marriage. Furley Paul, president of Catholic Youth Wing, encouraged participants to unite in communal efforts for positive change. The event concluded with a heartfelt prayer attended by parents, children and youths alike, underscoring the community's commitment to tackling issues of child marriage through education and advocacy. On July 8th, members of the Voice of the People's Party (VPP) led by Dame Wanhi L. Rambai, Organizing Secretary, Central Body, petitioned Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council (CM) Ba Khuborjylla to expedite the disbursement of employee salaries. Despite state government allocation, the Treasury's refusal to process payments has hindered timely salary distribution. VPP members pressed CEM Shiwat to intervene and resolve the deadlock swiftly, emphasizing the welfare of affected employees. Additionally, Dame Wanhi Rambai addressed disparaging remarks made by MDC Richard Singh Lingdo towards VPP leaders during discussions, calling for mutual respect and constructive dialogue in governance matters. The VPP remains committed to advocating for employee rights and resolving administrative challenges within the JJDC.
Kani kadega ji kenduk ke baar kejong ikum ka Voice of the People Party ya UCM jong ka JCC hagan dega ji kenduk ke banengkong tengi klem ya kenduk yukum to ndre meta gesi ngilayo ya kaban ya kenduk badu CM ya kaban Budin halor kani ka jingduk tulok jong kinong trei hapo jong ka council te ngila lep ai ya kani ka shiki ban bandawa badai ban siudo ban siudep no ya kani ka tulok jong kinong trei namar ngiliyo i ba hadin ka tu ka jingwan ya kenduk ka jongi ka council ka lele stom kila penyok kumto lai prokuror hakaba kiga ong ban siu kumba sauna ya ka tulop jong kinong trei ndrei ka ba pelengo yingi hadu menta kalong ba kinong trei kidang yo dang sibenai ka kani ka bet iklam kelakut te hadin ka jingi kenduk jongi yau new CM te ula pensyai ba kimla ban siu shisen siu namar ka treasury kampediang te kihaban pa sibenai hadin sibenai di nakaleng jungi kum ka party ngin sabudin ngin sali ekren support treasury lada kalong kabala namar ka ka dues payment di try lada kalong kabala kin ailat ken ban siudep no ka council ya ka ni ka ya ka baitre jong kini ki staff hang ni te ka baar ka jing ya kren ka jungi kalong ba ngi kwa ba ya katu kala ka pro ba kila det bar kin siudep bat ya kani ka bakin dang yo ro kin penyaj bet syakane ka jingsiu ya ka tulop jo kinong.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.